Welcome to the session on cloud computing and its application. In today's session, we'll talk about module number 3, chapter number 7. Name of the chapter is High Throughput Computing Task Programming. In particular, we will talk about parameter sweep applications. That is, how to develop parameter sweep application using Aneka. Developing parameter sweep application. Aneka integrates support for parameter sweep application on top of task model by means of a collection of client components, allowing developers to quickly prototype applications either through programming APIs or graphical user interfaces. This set of abstractions and tools supporting the development of parameter sweep application constitutes the parameter sweep model. The model is organized into several namespaces under the common root aneka.pcm. More precisely, aneka.pcm.core, aneka.pcm.workbench, aneka.pcm.console. Aneka.pcm.core contains the base classes for defining a template task, and the client components managing the generation of tasks given the set of parameters. Aneka.pcm.workbench contain the user interface support for designing and monitoring parameter sweep applications. Mostly, they contain the classes and components required by the Design Explorer, which is the main GUI for developing parameter sweep applications. Aneka.pcm.console contains the components and classes supporting the execution of parameter sweep applications in console mode. This namespace defines the support for developing and controlling parameter sweep application on top of Aneka. The fundamental element of the parameter sweep applications are defined in the aneka.pcm.core namespace. This model introduces the concept of job, which identifies a parameter sweep application. A job comprises file dependencies, parameter definition together with their admissible domain and the definition of the template task. PCM object model is shown in our next slide. This is the diagram showing the job object model. Explanation goes like this. The root component for application design is the PCM job info class, which contains information about shared files. input-output files in accordance with the Aneka application model. Shared files are common to all the instances of the template class task, while input and output files are specific to a given task instances. Therefore, these ones can be expressed as a function of parameters. Currently, it is possible to specify 5 different types of parameters. First one is constant parameter, range parameter, random parameter, enumeration parameter, and system parameter. Constant parameter. This parameter identifies a specific value that is set at design time and will not change during the execution of application. A range parameter allows defining a range of allowed values which might be integral or real. The parameter identifies a domain composed by discrete values and requires the specification of a lower bound and upper bound and step for generation of all the admissible values. Random value or random parameters allows the generation of a random value in between a given range defined by a lower and upper bound. The value generated is real. Enumeration parameter allows specifying a discrete set of values of any type. It is useful to specify discrete set that are not based on numeric values. System parameter. This allows mapping a specific value that will be substituted at runtime while the task instances is executed on the remote node. Other than these parameters, the object model reserves special parameters that are used to identify specific values of PSM object model, such as the task identifier and other data. Parameters have access to the execution environment by means of an execution context that is responsible for providing default and runtime values. The task template is defined as a collection of commands which replicate and extend the features available in the base task library. Available commands for composing the task template performs the following operations. Local file copy on the remote node, remote file deletion, execution of programs through the shell, environmental variable setting on the remote node, string pattern replacement within files. This is the diagram showing the parameter sweep model APIs. A parameter sweep application is executed by means of a job manager which interfaces the developer with the underlying APIs of the task model. The figure shown earlier shows the relationship between the PSM APIs with the specific reference to the job manager and the task model APIs. Through the iJob Manager interface, it is possible to specify user credentials and configuration for interacting the Aneka middleware. The implementation of iJob Manager will then create a corresponding Aneka application instance and leverage the task model API to submit all the task instances generated from the template task. The interface also exposes facilities for controlling and monitoring the execution of the parameter sweep application, as well as support for registering the statistics about the application. Development and monitoring tools. The core libraries allow developer to directly program parameter sweep applications and embed them into other applications. Additional tools simplify design and development of parameter sweep applications by providing support for visual design of the applications and interactive and non-interactive application execution as well. These tools are the Aneka Design Explorer and Aneka PCM console. What is this Aneka Design Explorer? Is an integrated visual environment for quickly prototyping parameter sweep applications, executing them, and monitoring their status. It provides a simple wizard helping user to visually define any aspects of parameter sweep application such as file dependencies and result files, parameters and template tasks. The environment also provides a collection of components that help users to monitor application execution, aggregate statistics about application execution, detailed task transition monitoring, and extensive access to application logs. And regarding Aneka PCM console is a command line utility designed to run parameter sweep applications in non-interactive mode. The console offers a simplified interface for running application with the essential features for monitoring their execution. With respect to the Design Explorer, the console offers lesser support for keeping and visualizing aggregate statistics but exposes the same data in more simplified textual form. Managing workflows. Support for workflow in Aneka is not native but obtains with plugins that allows client-based workflow manager to submit tasks to Aneka. Currently, two different workflow managers can leverage Aneka for task execution, the workflow engine and Offspring. The former leverages the task submission web service exposed by Aneka, while the latter directly interacts with the Aneka programming APIs. Workflow Engine plugin for Aneka constitutes an example of the integration capabilities offered by the framework, which allows client applications developed with an technology and language to leverage Aneka for task execution. The integration developed for Offspring constitutes another example on how it is possible to construct another programming model on top of the existing APIs available in the framework. This is a diagram showing offspring architecture. The system is composed by two types of components, plugin and distribution engine. The former is used to enrich the environment of features, while the latter represents the access to the distributed computing infrastructure leveraged for task execution. Among the available plugins, the Auto plugin provides facility for the definition of workflows in terms of strategies. A strategy generates the tasks that are submitted for execution and also defines the logic in terms of sequencing, coordination, and dependencies used to submit the task through the engine. A specific component, strategy controller, decouples the strategies from the distribution engine. Therefore, strategies can be defined independently from the specific middleware used. The connection with Aneka is realized through the Aneka engine, which implements the operation of distribution engine for Aneka middleware and relies on the services exposed by the task model programming APIs. The system allows for the execution of dynamic workflow whose structure is defined as workflow executes. Two different types of tasks can be defined: native task and legacy task. Native tasks are completely implemented in managed code, while legacy tasks manage files, dependencies, and wrap all the data necessary for the execution of legacy programs on a remote node. Also, a strategy may define shared file dependencies that are necessary to all the tasks generated by the workflow. The dependencies among tasks are implicitly defined by the execution of strategies by strategy controller and the events fired by the distributed engine. Two main execution threads control the execution of the strategy. Control thread manager manages the execution of the strategy, whereas monitoring thread collects the feedback from the distribution engine and allows for dynamic reaction of the strategy to the execution of tasks previously submitted. From the workflow developers point of view, the logic is quite simple. The execution of a strategy is composed by three macro steps: step up, execution, and finalization. The first step involves the setup of the strategy and the application mapping it. Correspondingly, the finalization step is in charge of releasing all the internal resources allocated by the strategy and shutting down the application. The core of workflow execution resides in the execution step, which is broken down into a set of iterations. During each of the iterations, a collection of tasks is submitted. These tasks do not have dependencies from each other and can be executed in parallel. As soon as a task complete or fails, the strategy is queried in order to see whether a new set of tasks need to be executed. In this way, dependencies among tasks are implemented. If there are more tasks to be executed, They are submitted and the controller waits for the feedback from the engine. Otherwise, an iteration of the strategy is completed. At the end of each iteration, the controller checks whether the strategy has completed the execution and in case the finalization step is performed. This is a diagram showing the workflow coordination. All the content of these slides are taken from the textbook Mastering Cloud Computing written by Rajkumar Bhuiya. In this session, we have talked about developing parameter sweep application using Aneka. This is the end of chapter number 7. Thank you.